Good morning. Today we are discussing the topics Algebra of Matrices. First, the matrix A is a rectangular array in which the elements are A11, A12, A13. Here it is A21, it is A22, A23, and this is A31, this is A32, and the last one A33. So this is the rectangular array of the matrix. Now what we call it, this one as the rows. This is R1 and this one first row, this is second row, and this is R3, whereas this one we call it as column C1, this is C2, and this one is C3. Now how will you write the order of these matrices? So the order can be written as the row cross column. So order of matrix, order of A, which can be written as number of row cross number of column. So on that case, what is a row? How many rows you have? 1, 2, 3. So I can write it as 3 rows cross. How many column? It is 3 column. And this we call it as the element of the matrices. Element of the matrices, where the first position start with, if I write it A11, it says the first number represent the row position, the second it represents the column position. Okay, so this is the matrix simple definition. Now we are going to see the order, some of the order of this matrix. Find the order of matrices, order of matrix. Number 1, so this is A, this is 2, minus 1, 0, 3, 2. The matrix A is given by 2, 1, 3, minus 1, 4 and 5. And the third one, I can write it, matrix B is equal minus 1, 3, 0, 5, 6, 7. Okay, now just I have to know the order. What is the order of these matrices? Okay, the solution is given by, here I have to write the order. What is the order of this matrix? How many rows you have? This is R1 and this is R2. And similarly here we have C1, C2, 2 columns, 2 rows. So I can write it as row cross column. That in turn implies it is 2 cross 2. And I want to know what is your A21. A21. What is the element of A21? So this is A11 and this is A12 and this one is my A21. A21 is 0. So if the question is asked the element, you can represent the element. Just you have to pick the element of the corresponding element of the matrix. Now next one, what is the order here? Order of the matrix A, which is equal, how many rows you have? This is R1 and this is R2, and here we have C1, C2, C3. So how will you write? This is R cross C, that is row cross column. How many rows? 2 cross 3. So this is the value. Now if you want to calculate what is A1, 2, what is A1, 3, what is this value? What is A12? A12 is this one. This is my element A12. And what is A13? A13 is this one, 3. And what is the position of A22, A23? This is A22. This is A22. This is 4, and this is my 5. So just you have to take the element of the matrix if the question asks. If it is asked only the order, just you have to stop from here. Now what about here? Here we have, this is R1, this is R2, and this one is R3, and this is C1, this is C2. So order, it can be written as the row cross column, the number of rows cross number of column. What is the number of row? Here 3, and here it is 2. So if you want to calculate the element of the matrix, what is the element? A13 and 2, 3. And what about A12? So the value 1, 3. 1, 3, it is not there. So you will have 1, 1. This is A12. You don't have 1, 3. Therefore, I cannot calculate this one. So it is not possible. This is not possible because the order of the matrix is only you have 2 columns, right? And what about 2, 3? 2, 3 also same thing. So this is 2, 1, 1, this is 2, 2, and 2, 3, which is not available. And what about this one? A12, A12, A12 is this one. This is equal to, so this is your answer. So since this is the order of the matrices, now we are going to see the operation on the matrices, the addition, subtraction, and multiplication. First we will go through the addition of the matrices. Find if A matrix is equal to minus 1, 0, 3, and B matrix is equal minus 4, 5, 2, and 6. Find number 1. This is A plus B. Number 2, A minus B. So number 3, here we have 3A. Okay, we will do it one by one. What is this matrix you have? Solution. So here there is 2 matrix is we have to add, here 2 matrix we have to subtract, and here you have to multiply by 3. First I can calculate A plus B. So A, this is the same matrix, this is 2, minus 1, 0, and 3, plus B. What is B? Minus 4, 2, 5, and 6. So what is the addition? Just you have to add it the corresponding elements, corresponding element of the matrix. So what is 2 plus of minus? You will get this value is equal minus 2. Now coming to the next one, minus 1 plus 2. So you will get plus 1. And here 0 plus 5. So you have to add it the corresponding element of the matrices. So 3 plus 6, which is equal 9. So this is your matrix. So you have to add the two matrices. Similarly, here we have subtraction. So subtract the two matrices, minus 1, minus 2, minus 1, 0, and 3 here, minus, and then minus 4, 2, 5, 6. Either if you can understand directly, you can add it, otherwise you can multiply further. One more step I can do it here. So here 2 minus 1, 0, 3, and then I have to multiply each and every term inside. So what happened? It become, multiply the minus, it become plus. Multiply all the elements with minus. You will get minus into minus plus 4. Here you have minus 2 and minus 5 minus 6. Just you have to change the sign. Why? You are multiplying the minus with each element of the matrices. So what happened here? Now it is as regular. So what you have to do? Multiply, add it with the corresponding terms with the plus, right? Or if you understand from here, you can directly skip this step. You can provide directly this and this. Okay. Now what we have here, 2 plus 4, which is equal 6, minus 1 minus 3, 2, which is minus 3, 0 minus 5, so it is minus 5, and then 3 plus minus, you will get minus 3. So this is your answer. This is a subtraction. And what about the order of these matrices? The order is here 2 cross 2, and here this is 2 cross 2. So whenever you are going to add and subtract, therefore the order of these matrices will be same. It is the condition, rule. So whenever you will have a same order, then only you can add that matrices. If you have a different order of the matrix, you cannot subtract and you cannot add. Okay, we will see in the next problem, next example. So here the next one, what is given? I have to find 3 into a 3. What is the matrix A? This is 2 minus 1, 0, 3. So just multiply the matrix with 3. So what happened here? If you multiply these 3 inside, you will get 6. So this 3 you have to multiply with each and every term, each and every element. So all the elements are multiplied with 3. So the answer is 6 minus 3, 0 and 9. So this is your answer. If the question is asking multiply by the numbers and then addition, what you have to do? This is the fourth problem. We have 3a minus 2b. So what you have to do first here? Here you have to multiply 3 with the matrix A. After that you have to multiply 2 with matrix B. After that you have to, the last you have to subtract, right? So I will multiply here. So this is what? 3 times of the matrix. What is the matrix? 2 minus 1, 0, 3, and then minus, this is minus 2 times of the matrix B. What is the matrix B? Minus 4, 2, 5 and 6. Now what is this? Multiply. What is the multiplication? Here if you multiply, you will get the matrices. What? Here we have multiply 3. So you will get 6 minus 3, 0 plus 9. So this is your matrix. And the next one, what is the next one? We have multiply the minus 2 inside. You will get plus. So I add it. I multiply with minus 2. It become plus 8. The next one minus 4. The next one minus 10. Here minus 12. Now upon simplification, what will get? So what is the corresponding numbers? Here 6 and this one. So I multiply minus, so it become plus here. It become plus here. So what is this addition? 6 plus 8, 14. Here minus 3 and minus 7, minus 4. The answer is minus 7. 0 minus 10, minus 10. Here you have minus 3. So this is your answer. So this is the first problem. Now we will take the another problem. So this is the second one. If the matrix, if A is equal to minus 1 0 3 and the B matrix is equal to 1 4 5 and here 6 minus 1. Now first of all we have to discuss the order. What is the order of the matrix? And the question is asking find A plus B and then A minus B. So how will you find the solution? Before going to the solution, we have to check the order. What is the order of this matrix? 2 cross 2. What is the order of this matrix? Here you have a 3 rows and 2 columns. So you cannot add. You can add this, but here you have an extra 1 row. We cannot calculate the sum and the difference. So it is not possible. It is not possible. So this is the example for not possible case. Okay. Now the last topic we will discuss the multiplication of the matrix. What is the multiplication? How to multiply multiplication of matrix. Okay. Now first we start with a simple problem. We will take 2 cross 2 matrix. Suppose if a matrix is given by, if matrix A 2 1 0 3 and the matrix B is given by 4 2 3 5. Find A B and B A. So I have to calculate. In the last problem we will get some plus, A plus B, A minus B, sum and the difference, but here you have a product. So here we have a product of the matrices. Okay. Now how will you do this? What is this order? What is the order of matrix? This is 2 cross 2. And here what is the order? You will have 2 cross 2. So before proceeding the problem, first you have to check whether the order is exists. How will you find the order of A? This is 2 cross 2. Order of B, it is 2 cross 2. It should be always the same number, then only you can multiplication is possible. This is actually what? This is what we have. This is the row and column. The column of A is equal to the row of B, then only it is possible, otherwise not. The same number it should be have here. If it is 2, it is 2. If it is 3, 3. Same number, right? So what is the resultant matrix? The final answer matrix, it will be 2 cross 2. Let us check. 2 cross 2. Okay. So first of all, we will discuss A dot B. A dot B. So this is a multiplication 2, 1, 0, and this is 3. And here product 4, 3, 2, 5. Now how will you do this one? Just you have to take the row and multiply with column. So how will you write? This is how you have to multiply. Take the row and multiply with column, and what will get here? So this is equal. If you multiply, you will get what? 2 into 4, it is 8. So here plus 2, this is over, right? The next one, you have to take the same row and with the another column. What is another column? You will have here, this is 2 into 3, which is 6, plus 1 into 5, which is 5. This is first is over. The next one I have to multiply with the second one. So first row is over. Now you have to take the second row and multiply with each column. So what happened here? If I multiply this with this again, so the answer is here 0, 0 into 4, 0, plus 3 into 2, we will get 6. And the next one, the first row column is over. The second column, what is the second column? We have, this is 0 into 3, 0, and 3 plus 5, which is equal 15. Upon simplification, we will get, this is equal 10, here 11, here 6, and 15. So this is your final answer. What is the order of this matrix? Order of this matrix is 2 cross 2. This is what we will get it here. This is what we will get here. The resultant matrix is 2 cross 2. Now we will take B dot A. What is the difference between A dot B and B dot A? The matrix position is changed. So I will do it here. This is B dot A. So what is a B dot A? First the matrix B. What is the matrix B? Here B matrix 4, 3, 2, 5. And the matrix A. What is the matrix A? 2, 1, 0, 3. So just the position of the matrix is changed. Whereas in the first problem, A matrix is the first one and here B matrix is the first one. This is the same thing. Take first row, multiply with each column, right? So first what you have to do, take row, multiply with column. What will get? This is equal, the first one 4 into 2, 8, plus 3 into 0, 0. This is first is over. The next one, so here 4 into 1, 4, plus this is 3 into 3, which is 9. This is over. The next one, you have to take the second row and multiplying with each column, right? The same column you have to multiply. So what is this? 2 into 2, 4, plus 5 into 0, this is 0. And here next 2 into 1, 2, plus 5 into 3, which is 15. So final answer is 8, 13, and here 4 and 17. So this is your answer. And what is the order of this matrix? This is 2 cross 2. That's it. So when you compare, therefore we will conclude the matrix the matrix multiplication is not commutative, since this is and this is not same. So we have taken a dot b, you will get different answer, and b dot a is entirely different, not at all the even a single elements are not same, right? So always it is different. Now we will take the another example. We will have here number 2. If a is equal to minus 1 0, here 4 5 3, and then B matrix is given by 1 2 3 4 minus 1 0. So I have to calculate a dot b and b dot a. Find a dot b and b dot a. Now we will discuss what is the order of these matrices. What is the order here? The order is 2 rows, 3 column. And what is the order here? This is 3 rows, 2 column. So I can multiply a dot b is okay, right? A dot b is okay. We can multiply a dot b, right? So first a dot b, this is equal a minus 2 minus 1 0 4 5 3, and the B matrix 1 4 2 minus 1 3 0. So this is the B matrix. Now if you multiply, what will get? So take the first row and multiply with column. And multiply with column. What happened? This first row here 2 into 2, it is 2 into 1 2, plus here minus into 2, minus 1 into 2, it is minus 2, and the 0 plus 3, so the value is 0. The second elements you will have here 8, 2 into 4 8, minus 1 it become plus 1, and 0 into 0, the answer is 0. And the next element, what is the next one? Here you have to take the second one, multiply with the same thing. So what happened here? 4 into 1, it is 4, and then 5 into 2 plus 10. The next 3 into 3 plus 9. So the next one 16, 4 into 4 16, minus 5 plus 3 into 0, it is 0. So the answer will be equal, this is 2 minus 2 0, the answer is 0. Here you will get 9, 8 plus 1 9, here it is 13 23, and here it is 11 plus 11. So this is your value. And what is the order of this matrix? Order is 2 cross 2. Here check, you will get the order is what? 2 cross 2. So this is what you will get at the resultant matrix. This is same. Now if you go with the B dot A, what is a B dot A? Let us check. B dot A. So I can go with B dot A. What is B here? This is 1, 4, 2, minus 1, 3, 0. And the matrix A is what? 2, minus 1, 2, minus 1, 0, 4, 5, 3. So what is the order of this matrix? Here the order is here 3 rows into 2 column, whereas here you will have 2 rows into 3 column. So you can multiply the matrices. So first you have to check whether it is possible. Since this is possible, right? So what should be the resultant matrix? The resultant matrix will be 3 cross 3. Okay, let us check what we'll have here. So first take the row and multiply with column. First row I multiply with 3 column. This is the first column, second column, and then third column. Okay, first column. What is the first one? We'll have here 1 into 2, which is equals to plus 4 into 4, 16. First one is over. The next element 1 into minus 1, minus 1 plus 4 into 5, 20. The next one, here we have 0 and then plus 12. This is the first one. Next I have to take the next row and multiply with all the columns. So what happened here? This is equal 2 into 2, which is equals 2 minus 4, and here we will have minus 2 minus 5, and the last one 0 minus 3, and then we will take the last. What is this last? Here we have 3, right? So this is 6 plus 0, and then minus 3 plus 0, and then 0 plus 0, 0 plus 0. So this is your matrix. The order is here. The answer 18 plus 19, here 12, minus 2 minus 7, and here minus 3, 6, minus 3 and 0. So this is what you will get. The order is 3 cross 3. 3 cross 3. Okay. Now we will take the another example where we will have a different types. If you have matrix 2 minus 1 0 3, and the B matrix is 1 2 3 minus 4 5 6. Find A dot B. Find A dot B. How will you find this A dot B? What is the order? First we have to check the order. This is 2 cross 2, and what is the order here? This is how many rows? You have 3 rows, 2 column, right? So what is the order of this one? Since this is not same, here you have 2, here it is 3, therefore the multiplication is not possible. I can write it. This is not possible, not exists, because the row and columns are not same. And one more, the last type of questions, you will find it like this: find x, find x from the equation, from if a if the matrix is given by x minus 3, 4 and 6. Here the matrix is equal 5 minus 3, 4 and 6. So you have to calculate the value of x. How will you calculate the value of x here? Just you have to compare the values. Every elements are same, therefore what is the x value? The x value is equal 5. That's it. So the answer is x is equal 5. That's it. So with this we complete the algebra of matrices. You can find it the PDF in the description box.